Bonjour, mes amis. Hello, my friends. Today I'll be going over basic conversation. This will be the first set of 2, so you can subscribe or just check back for the second set. Conversation basique. Hein? So I'm going to go through all the vocab and give you a chance to repeat it. And then have some practice for the phrases. First of all, saying hi or bye informally, salut. So you can repeat, salut, salut. Hello, my name is, or I call myself, bonjour, je m'appelle. Bonjour, je m'appelle. Bonjour, je m'appelle. How are you? We'll do formal using vous. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Informal, this is what you can use with children, friends, and family. Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Now let's ask, well, first let's say I'm doing well. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. So now let's ask, where do you come from? We'll do formal first, vous. And the way that it's phrased is literally from where do you come? D'où venez-vous? D'où venez-vous? D'où venez-vous? If you're going to be using tu, informal, d'où viens-tu? D'où viens-tu? D'où viens-tu? Now to say, I come from. You're going to say je viens de, and then you can say the place. This will vary. I'm going to use the example of Bordeaux. Je viens de Bordeaux. Je viens de Bordeaux. Je viens de Bordeaux. If you're from the United States, and you just want to say the country, je viens des États-Unis. Je viens des États-Unis. Last time, je viens des États-Unis. Where do you live? Formal, vous. As you hopefully know, this is also the plural you. Où habitez-vous? Où habitez-vous? Où habitez-vous? It's really where live you, if you want to go word by word. Informal tu, où habites-tu? Où habites-tu? Où habites-tu? Now I'm going to say I live in Nice, which is a nice city. When you're using a city, remember you always say à. Any city. J'habite à Nice. J'habite à Nice. J'habite à Nice. I'll give you one more example. Chicago. J'habite à Chicago. You don't have to put an accent on your city in the US. You can you could say j'habite à Chicago. Just find it flows better to try to keep up with the best French accent you can do. The easiest way to say nice to meet you is enchanté. Kind of sounds like enchanted, right? So it's just one word, enchanté. And there are other ways where you can like actually go word by word saying it's nice to meet you, it's a pleasure to meet you. But for now, I would just try to remember enchanté. Let's ask for their name. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? And then, comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment t'appelles-tu? This one can be a little tricky. Just keep in mind that you can change the order of some of the words and it's still the same. Comment t'appelles-tu? Comment tu t'appelles? It's the same question. We're asking how you call yourself. So what is your name? And comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous vous appelez? Same question. If you hear that appel, appeler, just like when you answer, je m'appelle, we're asking for your name. Now, I would hope when it comes to asking how old you are, you'll probably be informal at this point. Might not be polite if you need to be formal using vous to ask for their age. But we'll start out with the formal vous anyway. Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge? You can hear âge kind of sounds like age. Quel âge avez-vous? Now with tu, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Let's say you have 20 years. In French, you're going to say, I have the number and then years. J'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans. Please see my earlier video with the numbers so you can find your age. But you're going to say j'ai, the number, ans. What do you do in life? It's a way to ask about the profession. Que faites-vous dans la vie? Que faites-vous dans la vie? Que faites-vous dans la vie? Informal. Que fais-tu dans la vie? Que fais-tu dans la vie? Que fais-tu dans la vie? You can ask directly about profession. Quelle est votre profession? Quelle est ta profession? I like to teach que faites-vous because now when you learn this, you'll learn a phrase that you can use in other situations. Because if you stop at que faites-vous or que fais-tu, now you're just asking, what are you doing? With what, there's a slightly longer way to say what. Instead of just stopping with que, you can also say or hear qu'est-ce que. Qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie is the same question. Qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie? Qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie? And I'll give you a chance to repeat it also informally. Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la vie? Finally, we have Je suis étudiante. And you're a French student, so you can say this. So if you're female, je suis étudiante. If you're male, je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant en français. So as I mentioned before, once you practice and memorize qu'est-ce que tu fais or qu'est-ce que vous faites or que fais-tu, que faites-vous, you already will know how to say what do you do. So then this could just be you're asking what someone's doing. Maybe they're gonna say je lis, I'm reading. Je joue au foot, I'm playing soccer. Je joue de la musique, I'm playing music. But you can add on a new vocab word, le week-end. Que faites-vous le week-end? Que fais-tu le week-end? So, le weekend, like it sounds, is the weekend. So, you know, what are you doing on the weekend? Now some vocab for basic conversation that hopefully you have already. Merci. Merci. Thank you. You might want to say, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Now to say please. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Informal, s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. Goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir. But what if you want to say goodbye, but you want to end with saying have a good day? This will be bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a good evening. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. And have a good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. And this one you only want to use if it's like really close to bedtime, right before bed. Have a good night. If you want to say see you soon, à bientôt. So your first little basic conversation is over. Maybe you'll see them tomorrow or the next few days. À bientôt. See you soon. See you later. À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard. Ou bien à plus. You could hear à plus tard, or it could be shortened to à plus. See you tomorrow. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. Okay, so this is the basic conversation vocab. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to upload another one where after you've watched this, I'll just quiz you a little bit on the vocab. Okay, à tout à l'heure. Just another way to say see you later. À plus tard.